There you go.
There we are. Right.
Begin. New toys for Commodore 64. Come around this side.
I'm trying to get the thing in the picture, so right, go on.
Well, let's start with one and not two. Ta-dum. And look for ways to get into it. We'll just have to do voiceover or something.
Yeah.
Nothing to say.
Yeah, best thing to do.
I have nothing to say. Just a box. Here we go. Ta-dam. Ta-dam.
For the paper.
Commodore black nylon. Interesting.
Nylon, so you're selling nylon.
Ta-dam. Also, I know what this is then. So that, I think, is probably a dead cartridge. Recycling. Lots of recycling.
Oh, update. What's this update?
Ignore that.
It's gone away.
I'll carry on anyway. Look, my first Commodore printer. Hold it steady. There's the black nylon, a ribbon.
Yeah.
I wonder if you can re-ink those.
No idea.
I spy a cable. That's always helpful. You grab the box. That's alright, just let it back on the floor. That'll do, just don't trip over it.
Bag.
Wow. Oh, it's quite yellowed.
Oh, I remember things like this.
You do?
I do, yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at that for a thing. Do-do-do. So it opens that way. Does that come off? It does. Another thing in there. You still on?
Mm-hmm.
Now, judging by the colour of that and the colour of that, I think there's some retro brighting to do. Foam feels alright. That's good. And is that locked into position? We could even switch it on and see what happens. Oh, a few marks on there on the button. Anything on the back? What does that say? T54. What does that mean? Well, I think we'll do a quick smoke test. Unravel a cable. Right, you ready? Is there an on switch? Well, that's interesting.
Yep, they are.
It does something.
Right, that's set.
There it is.
Right, okay. Let's switch this off.
No. No, we'll carry on. Ah, look at that. That folds as well. So the whole thing folds flat. There we are. I've never had a Commodore printer before. And now I do. What do I do?
Right, take it next one.
number 2. Do 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 do. Okay, how do we get in? Aha. Really? A cable, 6p. More recycling. Oh, that's quite a long cable. That's a good 6 feet. Do do do. Rubbish. Disk drive. Haha. More rubbish. More rubbish. And the thing. Look at that. Again, a little bit yellow and brown. But this one's got the card insert. How about that? What's that saying?
Yeah, they are.
Quick question. The smoke test. Good. That red light came on and went off. So look at that again. And you're watching the front? Come right into the front.
Yep.
I heard the motor run for a short while and stop.
Excellent.
Perfect.
Right.
That's
okay.
what I want.
All right. I'll cancel the thing now.
Now switch it off.